Want to use Claude AI without paying for a subscription? Claude offers a free plan that lets you chat with AI, write content, analyze documents, generate code, and explore many powerful features at no cost, although usage limits apply. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for free in 2026. So let's get started. First, visit the official Claude website and either create a free account or sign in if you already have one. You don't need a paid subscription to start using the free plan. Next, click New Chat and type your first prompt into the message box. You can ask questions, write emails, brainstorm ideas, summarize text, generate code, and much more. Clear and specific prompts usually produce better responses. The free plan includes access to many useful tools, such as writing assistance, coding help, document analysis, web search, memory, and file uploads where available. Keep in mind that some advanced capabilities and higher usage limits are reserved for paid plans. The free plan is powerful enough for many everyday tasks. Ask follow-up questions, request revisions, or change the format of Claude's responses until you get the result you're looking for. Take a moment to refine your prompts instead of starting over every time. The free plan includes usage limits that reset periodically. If you reach your limit, simply wait for it to reset or consider upgrading if you need more frequent access. Planning your work in focus sessions can help you get more from the free plan. Continue experimenting with different prompts for writing, coding, research, brainstorming, translation, and learning to get the most value from Claude AI without paying. So you've successfully learned how to use Claude AI for free, and that's how to use Claude AI for free. The free plan gives you access to a wide range of AI features that can help with everyday productivity, learning, writing, and problem solving. The better your prompts become, the more useful Claude will be, even without a paid subscription. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.